So, hello guys, hello Bibhu, hello everyone. Today is our 15th session on dynamic programming. So, initially we will be discussing a traditional problem, then we will try to understand that problem very nicely, and then we will discuss a good level DP problem asked in Cisco OA yesterday only, I think. So, that will be the variation of the traditional problem which we will learn first. So, let's get started. So, are you guys ready, Satyam, Bibhu, and Pramit? Then we
Yes,
can
we
get
are.
started.
Yes, right.
Okay, so let's get started. So, guys, Bibu, this is our problem. We are given a matrix. Just assume, Bibu, we are given a matrix. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Very good. Let's assume this is index one. This is. Can you tell me what will be the index for this? Two. This.
Two,
This.
three.
4, 5, 6. And what will be this? One. I'm considering one based indexing. Okay. Let's
Okay.
ignore zero for now. One, two, three, 4. Is this much clear to everyone? I'm just giving index to the matrix, right?
Yes, we
So,
are.
Bibu, can you tell me where is the coordinate 3 comma 4? Where is the coordinate 3 comma 4? In which,
Okay.
where should I go for that? In first row, second row, which row?
Third row.
In third
Third
row,
row,
which
fourth
box?
column.
This is 3 comma 4, right? So, guys,
Yes,
you
we are.
should know what is 3 comma 4 coordinate. Guys, can anyone tell me where is 1 comma 2 coordinate? Where should I go?
First row, second column.
Okay, first row. This is the 1 comma 2, right? Yes or no?
Yes, we are.
So, guys, the traditional problem says that you are standing at 1 comma 1. Where are you standing, Bibu?
1, 1.
And you have to reach the last block. What is the, can anyone tell me what is the name of or the index of last block?
4,6.
Very good. Whoever said this, very good. Awesome. So, guys, the question says if you start at 1 comma 1, how many ways are there to reach 4 comma 6? Is the question clear? If
Yes, we
you
are.
if you start at 1 comma 1, how many ways are there to reach n comma n? Okay, n is what? Nothing but the number of rows, and m is the number of columns. Okay, n is what? Number of rows, right? Vertical,
Yes.
right? And what is m? Can you tell me, Bibu?
Number of columns.
Okay, very good. Number of columns. Nice, interesting, very good. uh Let me think if it is working or not. Okay, so we have to find this out, right? So, guys, whenever we are trying to do something related to DP, na, so Bibu, you must be knowing that what is our philosophy, that we make some empty DP arrays, yes or no? Be it
Yes, we are.
1D, then we be it 2D, then we try to fill the answer for small indices, right?
Yes, we are.
After we get the answer for small indices, what do? We try to create a formula, right?
Yes, we are.
Finally, we put that formula in nested for loops, and our problem is solved via dynamic programming, right?
Yes, we are.
So I want to just to ask you guys, let's just assume we had this matrix, okay? Let's assume very small rows and indices, okay? People are still trying to join. Okay, let me see. This is the matrix. This is index 1, index 1, index 2. And this will also be index 2, right, Pibu? So
Yes,
this
we are.
much I think is clear to everyone. This much is... So till now, whatever I said is clear, right, Bibu?
Yes, we are.
Okay. So now, Bboot, let's not take so much stress. So dpij means the number of ways to reach I comma j. Clear? dp of ij. Let's make a dp state. Okay. What will be the meaning of dp of ij? Can you tell me, Bibu? Number of ways.
To reach from I to J.
No. Number of ways to reach from 1 comma 1 to
I,
I, comma J.
I, comma J.
okay I comma j. So, guys, can anyone use common sense and tell me what will be the answer of dp11? How many ways are there to reach here at the first index? How many ways are there? There is only one way. Just come and stand here, right? Yes or
Yes,
no?
we are.
So, guys, dp 1 of 1 is 1. I want every one of you to agree with me in the chat. Can you guys tell me yes or no if you understood why dp of 1 is 1? 1 of 1 means how many ways are there to reach this block, first block. There is only one way to reach this block, right, guys? Yes or no, Bibu? This is the starting block,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Yes, we are.
Yeah. Now we are allowed to go only in right direction or down direction. What are we allowed, Bibu, to go in?
Right direction and down direction.
Okay, so we are allowed to go in right direction. Let me check the chat. Okay, yeah, everyone is clear. Very good, thank you. So, guys, we are allowed to go only in right direction or down direction. Clear, Bibu? Clear, Paramit? Clear, Satyam?
Yes, sir.
Now the thing is, let me explain how can there be multiple ways. So guys, say this is our 2 cross 2 matrix and you are starting from here 1 comma 1. Okay, if you're only allowed to go right and down, can anyone from this meeting tell me in chat or somewhere how many ways are there to reach the last block? Bibhu, Pramit, anyone, can anyone tell me? You are only allowed to go right or down in one step. So Bibhu,
Two ways.
this is one way, yes? Yes or
Yes, Bhaiya.
no? Which is the other way?
Down and right.
Down,
Yeah.
sir.
So one way is what? Right and down, which is RD, right?
Yes, Bhaiya.
What is the second way? Can anyone tell me?
Down and right.
Down, right.
DNR. Okay, DNR. Very good. Very good. So basically, DP 1 of 1 is 1. And what should be the answer of DP 2 of 2 in this case?
Two.
2.
Okay, it will be 2. So guys, is this much clear? Please tell me yes in the chat. Guys, you understood? DP 1 of 1 is obvious. It is always 1 because you are starting from that index. That's why DP 1 of 1 is 1. And the number of ways to reach 2 comma 2 is 2. First you go right and down, then you go down and right. So I hope this much is clear to everyone. Right, guys?
Yes, Bhaiya.
Right, Satyam, Pramit, Vibhu. Yeah, everyone keep on writing. Yes,
Yes,
in
sir.
chat. Soumya, you as well. And Nikhil, you can turn off your screen recording for now, please. Because this thing will go on YouTube now. So we have to maintain some professionalism here. So, क्या कहते हैं बिभू प्रमित everything clear till now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now let's discuss something interesting. Okay. Okay, for this session I don't have writer pad, but no issues. One two basically, writer pad went somewhere else today. No worries, my dad took it. So number of ways to reach here, can you tell me, Vibhu? DB11, Vibhu, Pramit, anyone there?
One way, Bhaiya.
1. Acha guys, what is the number of ways to reach DP 1 comma 2, the index 1 comma 2? How many ways you can reach here? Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me? How many
2
ways
ways.
to reach this?
One.
There is only one way, Bibu. You can
Okay.
only go to right. No, there is no other way. Right? Yes or no, Bibu?
Okay, Bhaiya.
So DP 1 comma 2 is 1. Do you guys agree? Satyam, Pramit and Bibu.
Yes, Bhaiya.
Yes, sir.
Why
Yes,
there is
Bhaiya.
one way? Because there is only one way, which is R. What is that way? R.
Right.
ऐसा नहीं कर सकते कि नीचे जाके फिर से ऊपर आ जाओ. सिर्फ राइट और डाउन अलाउड है ना,
Yes,
इसलिए.
yes.
ठीक है. Guys, can anyone tell me the number of ways to reach here? DP 2 comma 1.
One.
Very good. 1. ठीक है. Now guys, the number of ways to reach here, can anyone tell me? DP 2 comma 2. 2. Right?
Two.
एक इधर से और एक ऊपर से. Right? Yes or no?
Yes, Bhaiya.
Very good. Now guys, can anyone tell me the number of ways to reach here at DP 1 comma 3? Can any smart intelligent guy or girl tell me how many ways are there to reach from 1 comma 1 to 1 comma 3? Can anyone tell me?
1.
So guys, how is it 1? There is only one way to reach 1 comma 3. First is go to right, then second step also go to right. So RR is the only way. RR is the only way. Do you guys agree that
Yes, Bhaiya.
RR is
Yes,
the
sir.
only way? So DP 1 comma 3 is 1. Let me explain it why. DP 1 comma 3, sorry for the bad handwriting today. There is only one way. Which is that way? Can anyone tell me from the chat which is that way to reach 1 comma 3 from 1 comma 1? Vibhu, can you tell me which is that way?
One comma one.
RR. It is RR, right?
Yes, Bhaiya.
Matlab basically from 1 comma 1 to you go there, you go to 1 comma 2, right?
Yes,
Then
Bhaiya.
from 1 comma 2 to you go 1 comma 3, right?
Yes, Bhaiya.
So this I call as R because I'm going in right direction, and this also I call as R. So RR is the only way to reach 1 comma 3. That's why I'm writing 1. This thing should be very, very clear to each one of you. Clear, guys?
Clear.
Okay, thank you. So I hope this thing is clear. Now let's discuss some other stuff. So we will have so guys, the base case is clear now. Whenever we start our problem, we have to set DP11 as 1, right, Bibu?
Yes, Bhaiya.
So guys, you know this also, you know this also. Can any smart person tell me what will be the answer of DP2 comma 3? Just use basic common sense, you will know.
Three.
Who said this answer? Can they tell their name?
Pramit.
Very good, Pramit. So obviously, I think you tried to add these two numbers, right? And it
Yes,
was
sir.
correct. It was correct. So Bibu, can we see that we are always trying to add these two adjacent numbers and getting the answer of the current block?
Yes, Bhaiya.
2 plus 1 was what? 3, right? Now
Yes,
tell me,
Bhaiya.
Bibu and Pramit, what is the answer for DP1, 4? This is common sense.
4.
Nah, nah. There are
Oh,
not
1.
4 ways to reach here. Which are the 4 ways? Can you tell me those magical ways? If you can prove the 4 answer is 4, na, then you can also prove that NP equal to P in computer science.
I
So,
was.
Bibu, this is 1, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell me which is that way to reach from 1, 1 to 1, 4?
Uh, R.
So
R,
triple R,
triple R.
triple R is the answer, right? Triple R is the way. But guys, there are 3 plus 1, 4 ways to reach DP2, 4. What is the answer of DP2, 4? Can anyone tell me?
4.
DP2, 4. It is 4, right, Bibu?
Yes, Bhaiya.
Because I'm adding 3 plus 1, right?
Yes,
Now
Bhaiya.
let me explain why did we add those numbers, right? So guys, let's use common sense. What will we use, Bibu and Pramit now? Common sense. What will
Common
we
sense.
use, Pramit and Bibu?
Common sense.
So
Common
let's
sense.
say this is I comma j. What is this?
I, J.
Okay. Let's say from God's grace, you already know the number of ways to reach this block. Say the number of ways to reach this block is 10. How many ways are there?
10.
And Paramit, the number of ways to reach this block are 70. How many ways are there, Paramit?
7. Oh,
70.
77. 7.
70. So guys, let's just use common sense. If you can come here using 10 ways, right?
Yes,
There
Bhaiya.
are 10 ways. Can you imagine them like this? S1, S2 till S10. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, Bhaiya.
So if using these ways you want to reach here, then the number of ways to reach here will also be 10 from the left side, right? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes or
Bhaiya.
no, Pramit or and Bibu?
Yes,
If
sir.
you want to come here, you will come from here to here only ना. तो यहाँ पर अगर 10 तरीकों से आए हो तो राइट में भी 10 तरीकों से जा सकते हो. Yes or no? तो
Yes.
what will be the way to reach I, J? S1 R, S2 R,
R.
S3
R.
R, S10
R.
R. तो 10 वेज तो लेफ्ट से आ गए, तो आई कॉमा जे में पहुंचने के 10 तरीके दिख गए तुम लोग को, हाँ या ना बोलो?
हाँ भैया.
हाँ.
ओके. नाउ ऊपर आने के, समझो ये ऊपर वाले ब्लॉक में आने के कितने तरीके थे प्रमित? हाउ मेनी वेज वर देयर टू रीच दैट अबाव
70.
ब्लॉक, प्रमित एंड बिबू? 70. हाउ मेनी?
Yeah, screen sharing stopper, bro.
Okay. Let me check. Okay, for me it is working properly, but let me check for you guys. Guys, I am resharing the screen. Just a second. Your entire screen. So Bibu and Pramit, if the things are visible, let me know. Are things visible, guys?
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So guys, is this thing clear? There were these S1 to S10 ways to reach this block. Then I just add R with all those ways. Then they become the ways to reach I, J. Yes or no?
Yes भैया.
So ये तो समझ, did you understand how come we get 10 ways to reach I, J from just the left block? Yes or no?
Yes भैया.
Now, Pramit, I want you to reply. To reach the upper block, how many ways are there? D1,
70.
D2 till where? D1, D2 till where? Tell. D. What will be the last number here? 70, right?
70, sir.
Bibhu, I am calling D1, D2, D70 to all the ways which end in this block. Clear, na?
Yes.
So, Pramit, is it clear what is the meaning of D1, D2 till D70?
Yes, sir.
What is D1 or what is DI? Can you explain me what is the meaning of D1, D2, D70? These are the number of ways to reach this block. Clear? This block.
Yeah.
Bibu, is it clear what is the meaning of D1, D2, D70? The number,
Yes.
the ways to reach this upper
block.
block. Ways to reach this
Upper block.
So guys, if I just add one more, if I do D1D, D1 capital D, I will reach I, J. Yes or no?
Yes भैया.
If I do D2 capital D, I will reach I, J. Yes or no?
Yes भैया.
So like that, if I add D to everyone, I will get 70 ways to reach I, J. Yes or no?
Yes भैया.
So
Yes,
there are 70 ways to come from up to bottom I, J, and there are 10 ways to come from left to I, J. So total how many ways are there? 70 plus
10.
So guys, can you understand by common sense that we have to add the number of ways above and on the left side? Yes or no?
Yes, we are.
Yes.
Clear everyone? Clear Aditya, Soumya, and whoever. Satyam, Pramit, and Vibhu. Clear everyone?
Yes,
Yes, we are.
bhai.
Okay, so these things are clear to us. Very good. Very good. So, Vibhu, if we want to write the formula, okay, Pramit and Vibhu, what will be the formula of DPIJ? Anyone can write it in the chat, but we will discuss it visually also, okay? So, Pramit, I want you to tell me this is I comma j coordinate, right?
Yes, bhai.
What will be the name of this coordinate above? Can
I
anyone
minus
tell me?
1
I minus 1 and then
j.
j. Vibhu, what will be this coordinate? Can you tell me the name?
I j minus 1.
I comma?
J minus 1.
Very good. Nice. Very good. So, guys, what will be the formula of DPIJ? Can anyone tell me this? I am writing it.
dpij equals to dp of I minus 1 j plus dpi j minus 1.
Okay, DPI minus 1j and plus DPI.
I j minus 1.
Okay, j minus 1. Very good. So, guys, is the DP recurrence formula clear to everyone, or we can say it call as the DP formula as well? DP formula. So, guys, is this thing clear? This thing
Yes,
clear, Bibu and Pramit?
yes, we are.
Yes, bhai.
Now, one more thing I want to explain is that okay, this thing is clear. Now we will just run two nested for loop. Okay, I think now the question is easy. You run a one for loop from 1 to n, right? Yes or no?
Yes, we are.
And the other for loop you run from where? J to m.
M.
Sorry, 1 to
M.
m. N comma m is the size of matrix, na? Right?
Yes,
And how do you feel the DP array? No need to do recursion memoization here. Just write the formula. DPij equal to, can anyone tell me the formula again? DP?
I minus 1
I
j.
minus 1 j
Okay, very good. And then DP?
dpi j minus 1.
Okay, very good. So, guys, this way we will fill our DP array. Now, I want someone to tell me in this meeting what will be the final answer. Like, if this is the full matrix, wait, let me explain. Let me take a final matrix. Guys, Bibu and Pramit, are you guys there? Say this is the final
Yes, we are.
matrix. Okay, you started from 1 comma 1, right? This was till n. Okay, and this was till m. Clear or not, Bibu and Pramit
Yes, we are.
and Satyam?
Yes, bhai.
Okay. Guys, what will be the number of ways to reach here? What will be this notation? DP
dp
of
of nm
n comma
N.
m.
m for mother, right?
Yes, we are.
Yes.
Yeah. So DP of n comma m is the answer. So let's have a look at the code, right? Right, guys?
Yes, we are.
So guys, let me like okay, okay, yeah, okay. I have made the screen bigger. Let me make it a bit more bigger. So guys, you can see that I have taken a empty large DP array globally, okay, because I don't want any runtime error. I am taking input of n and m. Clear, Bibu and Pramit?
Yes, we are.
Then I
Yes,
am
bhai.
running a while loop from 1 to n for I, and then one loop for j from 1 to n, right?
Yes, we are.
Acha, I did a mistake here. I should have written j equal to 1, j less
Bhai,
than equal to m, right?
Yes,
Right?
we are.
Then I am writing the formula, right? dpij equal to dpi minus 1j plus dpij minus 1, right?
Yes, we are.
Now I'm doing a
yes, bhai.
smart thing. I am writing a special if condition for which case? Can you tell me, Bibu and Pramit? Which is the
Base
special
cases
case?
ওই মানে
Yeah,
1 মানে
yeah. So when I and j is
first
1,
make a
if
ये
you,
and first
yeah, if
column
I is 1, then you, this formula will not work because this will be 0. This will
Yes,
also be 0. So dp11 will come as 0. Is it, guys, correct? Is there no way to reach dp1 comma 1? There is one way, na? You just
yes,
stand there. Just go and stand there. That's the way. Got it?
yes, we are.
That's why I'm writing this special if condition. Is this thing clear, guys?
Yes, we are.
yes,
Clear,
bhai.
Pramit and Bibu and Satyam? Everyone?
Yes, we are.
Yes,
Okay. And finally, I'm outputting dpn comma m, right, guys?
Yes, we are.
Clear, Pramit? Clear, Bibu?
mm,
Yes, we are.
For 2 comma 2, what was the answer? Can anyone tell me if they remember? If the matrix is size 2 comma 2, then we can verify, na? It was 2. You remember, na? One way RD and DR. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, we are.
So our
yes,
code
sir.
is correct, right? So, okay, I will send this code after the meeting. After recording ends. Now let me check. Okay. So guys, before we move further, let's write the pseudo code. We run a loop from 1 to n, right, Bibu and Pramit?
Yes, we are.
Yes,
And
sir.
guys, can you tell? Now I want you to tell me the further stuff. Then we run a for loop from where? Tell me.
Equals to I to m.
The j from 1 to
M.
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 Yeah. And then what do I write inside? dp of, tell me,
I
Ij.
dp of ij equals to dp of I minus 1 j
plus.
plus dp of I j minus 1.
Okay. Then after
If
doing this, is this much enough, or I have to write something in the end? I have to print something, which is c out dp. Tell me.
N comma M.
in in
M.
M.
Yeah. Clear, guys? Is this
Yes.
traditional problem clear to everyone? Please write yes or no in the chat. So, guys, this much is clear, right, Bibu and Pramit?
Yes, sir.
Let's go to
yes
the
sir.
harder version, right? So yesterday, or I don't actually remember how many days ago, but this problem came up yesterday only in the group. Okay. So, guys, this is our website. Okay, we have 1 lakh visitors on a daily basis. Make sure to use our website for solutions to online assessment, tech news, job opportunities, and interview experiences. We'll try to reach 5 to 10 lakh users per day. So for now, let's see the question. So guys, this is the problem, right, which came in Cisco the King's Walk, right, Bibu and Pramit? So
Yes,
let's
sir.
read the problem.
Yes sir.
Given a n cross m chessboard, write a program to find the number of distinct paths a king can take to travel from left bottom square 1 comma 1, which 1 comma 1, which is the source, to the top right square n comma m. Okay, which is the destination, such that on every move the king gets closer to the destination. Clear, guys? R is
Yes,
given as 10 less than equal to 10, and C is also given less than equal to 10. Like they could give even bigger limits, like less than equal to 100 or 1000. Then also you would be able to solve, right, Bibu and Pramit?
yes, sir.
So,
Yes sir.
guys, now comes a very interesting problem. Because now we have understood the traditional problem in a very nice manner, we will be able to solve this as well. Okay. So, Bibu and Pramit, we are given a chessboard, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes sir.
you guys know chess, na basic rules. Many
8
people,
plus
when
8.
they are not able to solve a problem, they tell me, sir, I did not know chess, that's why not able to solve. Please don't give me that reason. The problem is that you did not do DSA practice, that's why not able to solve. You never have to do some chess moves. Okay, just have to make a matrix and solve the problem. Clear, Bibu and what we say, Bibu and Pramit?
Yes, sir.
So your king is at which position? Can anyone tell me in the question what is written? Where is king
Bottom
initially
left.
located? Just assume it is 1 comma 1 ना, yes or no, guys? 1 comma 1 पे है कि नहीं है?
Yes,
तो
sir.
किंग कहाँ पर है? 1 comma 1,
One
right?
comma
And reach कहाँ पर करना है? N
N
comma
comma M.
M. So the chessboard is of size n comma m, right? The black
Yes,
and
sir.
white square does not matter in this question. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So they are saying the
Yes.
number of ways in which the king can reach n comma m, right? Yes or no, Pramit and Bibu?
Yes, sir.
So अगर king समझो इधर, let's just assume king was here. Okay, let's just assume king was here, right?
Yes, sir.
Guys, can anyone tell me where can the king go? Can king go here where I tick marked right? Yes or no? From there to K to that. Right.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, Pramit?
Yes.
Right में जाता है,
Yes
allowed है
sir.
ना king को? Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Okay. So king is allowed to go to right. Is king allowed to go here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Pramit?
Yes yes.
Is king allowed to go here?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Is king allowed to go here?
Yes, sir.
Here?
Yes, sir.
Here?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Here?
Yes, sir.
Here? Can king go in one move from K to here?
No way.
Okay.
No way.
So you guys should know that king can move anywhere in one step. Okay. It can go even diagonally up, diagonally down, left, right, up, down. In one step, it can go anywhere it want in the 8 adjacent square, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. King can go to, can anyone, can we write the rules, Bibu? King
Yes,
can go for the, which is the first observation? King can go to 8 places. What? Can go to
8
8
places.
adjacent
8 direction.
places. Can go
Oh,
to 8 adjacent places anytime, right?
yes,
So
sir.
we cannot use the previous formula, right? Because last time we had only 2 places to go, right and down, right?
Yes, sir.
This time we have multiple places, right? This will create issue for us, right?
Yes,
But if we read the question properly, we will come to a second observation. What is the second observation? See what is written. Such that on every move the king should gets closer to the destination. King should get closer to the destination. King should get closer to the destination. King should get closer to the destination. It means make only those moves which makes the king closer to the destination. Clear, guys?
yes, sir.
So Say this is the destination n comma m. Clear, Bibu and Pramit?
Yes, भैया.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, nice, interesting. And say suppose your king was somewhere here, okay, trying to reach his queen, sweet queen. So let's say the king is here, okay, Bibu and Pramit.
Yes, भैया.
They have clearly mentioned in the question only make those moves which make the king closer to his goal, not farther away from the goal. So guys, which are those moves which will make the king closer to his goal? Will this move make king closer to his goal? Yes or no?
No, भैया.
Will this move, Pramit, make king closer to his goal?
No, no, no,
Will this move make king closer to his goal?
no, no,
Will this move make king closer to his goal?
No, भैया.
no, no.
So these bottom three moves will always help our king to go closer to his goal. Agree or not?
Yes, भैया.
Got
Yes,
it,
sir.
guys? Got it, guys? So basically, they are saying it is same like our traditional problem, but we are allowed three moves. How many moves we are allowed?
3 moves.
In any
Three
move, you
moves.
can move to right, then
Di- uh,
R,
down,
down, and
diagonal.
diagonal. Acha, let me call this diagonal as DL, okay? So Bibu and Pramit and everyone, what we say, is this clear that we are allowed to go in three moves? Yes or no?
Yes, भैया.
Yes, sir.
So now let's make a matrix. Let's try to fill in the smaller values. Okay, trying like this. So guys, now the basic stuff is clear, na? I will just write the index in one go only. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guys, in this case as well, what will be the answer for 1 comma 1? How many ways to reach here? Only one,
1.
right? How
One,
many ways to reach 1 comma 2? This is also 1. This is
one.
1. You can fill it whenever we want, right?
Yes, भैया.
And if someone asks you what are the number of ways to reach 1 comma 2, this is also 1, right? King can
Yes,
come
भैया.
only in one way, right? Very good, very good. Filled in the matrix. Guys, number of ways to reach 2 comma 2. You can come from here, here, and here. So we'll add the three numbers, right?
Yes, भैया.
So what will be
Yes,
the
sir.
answer, Bibu and Pramit?
3.
Three.
Okay. What are the number of ways to reach here?
5.
Yes or no, Pramit and
Five.
Bibu?
Yes, भैया.
Yes, sir.
Number of ways to reach here?
5.
Five.
Okay. Okay. Number of ways to reach here?
13.
13.
Very good. Legendary people in our mentoring. So let's not fill it all by our own only. Let's do the let's make computer do some work, right, guys?
Yes, भैया.
So guys, before moving forward, can anyone tell me the name of all the indices? This is I comma j. Okay.
Yes, भैया.
What is the name of this index?
I minus 1 j.
Now, Bibu, I want you to tell me what is the name of this index.
I j minus 1.
Okay. Must be feeling very happy that Bhaiya asked simple question. First, bichara Pramit had to answer. No worries. Now, Bibu, hard question for you. What is the name of this index? You can think. Take your time.
Well, like I minus 1 j minus 1.
Okay. So, is this Pramit answering? So, Bibu went into blank, right? No worries. So, Bibu, this will be I minus 1, J minus 1. You agree or not? Or I explain you? See, I will explain. So, Bibu, are you there?
Yes, भैया.
दिस इज आई ना, राइट? यस
Yes,
और नो? सो दिस विल बी आई माइनस वन. ऊपर गए ना तो एक तो कम होगा कि नहीं होगा?
Yes, भैया.
और एक पीछे भी चले गए तो जे माइनस वन भी हो गया. प्रमित, इज इट क्लियर व्हाई आई रोट आई माइनस वन जे माइनस वन?
Yes, भैया.
Yes, sir.
इतना कॉमन सेंस होना चाहिए, राइट प्रमित? सो this is I minus 1, J minus 1. I want both of you to agree and write yes in chat. Pramit and Bibu and everyone else. Okay. If this index is I comma J, this is I comma J minus 1, this is I minus 1 J, and this is I minus 1 J minus 1. Clear, Pramit and Bibu?
Yes, भैया.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Aditya. So now the thing is, yeah, okay, very good. So now, guys, let's do something. Now, guys, the thing is, say there are 100. Okay, let me take some nice numbers. There are 100 ways to reach I comma j minus 1. There are 50 ways to reach I minus 1 j minus 1, and there are 51 ways to reach I minus 1 and j, right? Yes or no?
Yes, भैया.
So
Yes, sir.
if there are 100 ways to reach here, let me call them as a1 till a100, or let's call me b1 till b100. Okay, b1 b2 till
100.
b100. Now if I add r to them, okay, if to all these ways I just add a right option, I will reach I comma j, right?
Yes,
So
भैया.
all these 100 ways will be eligible to reach I comma j, right?
Yes, भैया.
So guys, there are 100 ways for now to reach I comma j. Yes or no? So I'm writing I comma j equal to 100. Yes or no, Pramit and Bibu? For now.
Yes, भैया.
Yes,
Then we
bhai.
will see if some more ways comes. There are 50 ways to reach I minus 1 j minus 1. Do you guys agree or not?
Yes, भैया.
Now, let's call those 50 ways of I minus 1 j minus 1 as let's take D, or no, D I don't like. Let's take V. V1, V2 till V50. Yes or no, Pramit and Bibu?
Yes,
Yes,
भैया.
bhai.
Now, if I go diagonally from here, I will directly reach I comma j, right? For all these ways.
Yes, भैया.
So, if I add DL to V1, I will reach I comma j. Yes or no?
Yes, भैया.
So, all these ways, if I add DL, I will reach I comma j, right?
Yes,
So,
भैया.
all these 50 ways, if I add DL, I reach I comma j. So, these 50 are also the ways to reach I comma j. Yes or no?
Yes, भैया.
Now, guys, for last, I am not again making a diagram. There are 51 ways to reach I minus 1 comma j, right?
Yes,
If
भैया.
you just add 1 down to all those ways, you will reach I comma j. Yes or no?
Yes, भैया.
So, there are 51 ways also to reach I comma j. So, guys, what is the final answer? 100 plus
101.
plus 50 plus 51. Can anyone tell me the final answer?
201.
200?
1.
Pramit and Bibu, do you guys agree that the total number of ways are 201?
Yes, भैया.
Yes, bhai.
Okay, very good, very good, very nice, interesting. Okay, so guys, is the common stuff clear? Now, can we write the formula for this?
Yes, भैया.
Acha. Here I have to write now. If king, what was the second observation? If king wants to go closer, only
Destination.
3 options are left. Which are those options? Right, down, and
Diagonal.
okay. Let me write it in this format. Okay, whatever. Okay, only 3 options are left. Now let's ignore that for now. Guys, can anyone tell me the DP formula for this? DP of, now we know lot, we have lots of knowledge, so will not feel afraid. Can anyone tell me the answer, please? Anyone from the meeting? What will
DP
the
of I
formula?
minus 1 j.
Okay. Now who is saying this? Is this Pramit? Very good.
Yes.
Yeah. Next.
Plus TP I j minus 1
IJ minus 1. Very good. Oh,
plus
congratulations.
TP I minus 1 j minus 1.
So Bibu, you are also clear now? No doubts, right?
Yes, very clear.
Yeah. Now, guys, is it like, should we write the full code, or will it be better if we just use this code and copy paste and change one variable, right?
Yes, भैया.
Because it is just same like the traditional problem. Do you agree or not?
Just one
Both.
case.
You both agree, na, Pramit and Bibu?
Yes, भैया.
Yes,
Yeah.
bhai.
I hope my Google history is not visible. Very good. Thank you, Google. So, okay. If I write 2 comma 2, the answer should be 3, right? So
Yes, भैया.
guys, can
Yes,
you
bhai.
tell me which one change I need to do? Can anyone, any smart person from the meeting tell me on which line I need to make the changes?
18th line.
Line number 18.
Acha, what should
DP
I do here?
plus
I write plus and then?
DP I minus 1 j minus 1.
Okay, very good. Pramit, Bibu, everyone, each one of you, make sure you guys add the C++ Java code, okay? And call some Python guy that his name I don't. Okay, we call him Prani. Also ask him to write the Python code and upload it in the document. Clear, guys? So
Okay,
let
भैया.
us see if this works or if there is some issue. We will try to resolve it. So guys, we are getting the correct answer, right?
Yes, भैया.
So for 5 comma 5, for 2 comma 2 is 3. In Cisco OA, if we check the test cases, okay, for 2 comma 2 they are also saying 3, right, guys?
Yes, भैया.
Yeah, so that is the way. And another thing, okay, so guys, what they were saying now, that no matter on whichever index you are, the next index, wherever you go, it should guarantee that you are going at the smallest, what we say, at the smallest possible distance. Okay, so if there are like so many, we had so many options, right? So whenever you are here, you can either go here, either go here, either go here. Okay, if you go here na, it will not help you to reach the your king in the like shortest possible distance. Okay, this is common sense. If you are going towards, only then you will reach it in the shortest possible manner. That's why we chose only these 3 stuff. Okay, so I hope this much is clear, Bibu and क्या कहते हैं प्रमित, नाउ वी विल स्टॉप द रिकॉर्डिंग, ठीक है?
ओके भैया।
स्टॉप करने दो
Okay.
भाई, स्टॉप करने दो।